Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Amanda here, and today's video is another ScrawlrBox unboxing video. So this is the August ScrawlrBox. I've had it for about a week. It takes a little bit longer to get here as it is a UK based company and I am in the States, but needless to say, I've had it for about a week and it's time to open this bad boy up and see what is inside and see what kind of disaster I can make with this today. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get business out the way and then let's get started. So if you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below and the little notification bell so you are informed each and every time I upload new content. It would really help me out. Thank you. Alright, let's get in here and open up August's ScrawlrBox. Open this up and see what's inside. Okay, we've got a little book here. Oh, cute. We got our package of goodies that looks like this came flying out of. We have Fruitella for our candy for this month. We have a rainbow colored sticker. Ooh, I like that. And this is our art print for the month. Oh, that's really nice. Jonathan Knight is the featured artist, and there is the information for Jonathan. Alright, so let's see what we're going to get. Alright, August. So it looks like we're going to get a lot of pens. These are the Chameleon Changing Color Blending Fine Liners. Ooh, awesome. What else? Palette DR Drawing Pen in an 05. Very nice. Staedtler Lumograph 4H pencil, and a Croc book by Clairefontaine. Croc book contains 24 sheets of white 160 GSM paper stapled in a 270G Maya card cover embossed with the company's logo. Our challenge for the month is Rainbow Renaissance, which is where this lovely thing comes into play. I don't know how much that really resonates with me. It sounds a little complicated, but let's get in here and swatch out all of our supplies. Okay, so the first thing I want to swatch out is our Chameleon Fine Liners, which I read the little description, and they are a 0.3 millimeter tip, and it says that they have color in the pen and color in the cap. And so to get them to change colors, you put a different pen into the cap and you're supposed to be able to blend the colors. So we're going to see what each of these things looks like on their own, and then we'll try to blend some colors. So I mean, right, it's like a fine liner. No surprise there. The caps are nice and secure. The caps are really heavy because of the fact that I guess they have ink in them as well. I'm expecting this click when they go together, but they sort of slide together. They don't click. So there's that. Okay, here we have all of the colors laid out, and now I just want to kind of see if we can blend something. So maybe this very light aqua color we can blend with the blue. So says to put them together and hold it vertically for the best transfer for a few seconds. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to hold it up and down like this. All right, that's a few. And we're going to... Ooh. That was a lot of seconds. How long until... This is a very long transition. Maybe they didn't mean hold it on there for like 5 or 6 seconds. Because it's still not gotten back to the aqua E color yet. It's getting there, but it's not there yet. So that's a very long transition. There we go. All of that just to get back to this color. Well, so pigmented little thingies, aren't they? Let's try the pink and the red together. And this time I'm only going to do a couple of seconds. 1 banana, 2 banana. And pull it off. Now let's see. Okay, so that was a much shorter transition. So the longer you hold it on there, the more ink is going to run into the pen, and the longer the transition is going to be. So that was really, really long. This is more of what you would sort of expect. But I gotta say, I'm kind of really enjoying these pens. That is awesome. Okay, so they're not quite as hard to use or as gimmicky as the actual alcohol markers are, because those tend to be a kind of pain in the butt. But these were really nice. I really enjoyed that. All right, let's test our fine liner. Ooh, that's a nice solid black. It's got a very nice tip on it as well. And is our pencil a pencil? It's a pencil. Okay, so now I guess I need to look up some kind of reference for Renaissance. Okay, so let's see how our paper is holding up, by the way. Absolutely fine. It's fine liners. You're not really going to bleed through a whole lot. But, okay, I had a crazy idea, and I think that's what I'm going to go with. I thought, what if we did a Starry Night kind of thing with the fine liners? Because it doesn't have to be completely full to get this streaky effect that you would need for a starry night photo. And we have 2 different kinds of blues, and we have the yellow, and we have a black. And I bet we could probably make orange with the yellow and the red. Let's see if we can make orange. Would you look at that? Oops. Wrong cap. I can see where that would be an issue. Putting the wrong cap back on it. And then having weird color shifts. Okay. So, and we already have sort of a landscape type layout. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do Starry Night. So first things first, I'm gonna get in here. I've got a reference photo pulled up, and I am going to get in here and sketch out what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, I have been at this for probably about an hour, and so I am going to call this my finished Starry Night piece. I'm actually surprised that the marker didn't start to run out of ink, but it's still going good, so we're good there. I have no idea what the back of this paper looks like. I did start tearing the paper in a couple of the thicker spots, so that is something to note, that if the paper is wet it will start to tear up a little bit. But other than that, I mean, it bled through in a couple of those spots. That's dirt. So where it got really wet, it did start to bleed through just a little bit, but otherwise the paper held up pretty good. And yeah, I'm not mad at it. I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm going to call this finished. So this is my Starry Night for Rainbow Renaissance. I don't know if it's really rainbowy, but I definitely had fun creating it. And there's a little rainbow effect sort of going on in this little thing here. Alright, so that is going to wrap it up for today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a big thumbs up if you found it at all helpful. And let me know down in the comments if you have ever given these pens a try and what you think of them. I might have to go and see if there are a few more, because I actually liked them, and I would, on better paper maybe, try the blending effect a little bit more. But yep, alright, I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Bye. Now I want to give a quick shout out to each and every one of my patrons, without whom I would not be able to do this nearly as much. So thank you so much for your continued support. If you want fun little items each and every month from me, like prints and creature cards, then check out the Patreon link in my description box.